model, 62-plate Volkswagen Caddy C20 Bluemotion 1.6 TDI 75 needs gearbox starts drives no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 226551. MOT, the 16th of August 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 75 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Van runs and only drives in third and fourth gear and reverse only. Gearbox will to be replaced or repaired. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition, genuine honest work.